Hello everyone, my name is Mojibola. You're welcome to JibbyFem Forte tutorial. Today we are going to be, enjoying this class with this beautiful footwear and this cute clutch purse. We are going to be needing about half yard or quarter of this leather. It's a double-sided leather. You don't have to sew. All you just have to do is cut. Then these accessories, those are the basic things that we need. And our sole too, you can see, is a sole that you don't have to trouble yourself with wrapping or whatsoever. It's a double sole too. So we have a double sole. We also have a double leather. Sit back and enjoy. For our purse, we are going to be making use of this pattern. It's going to be an envelope purse. Sometimes it is called a clutch purse, but it's more of an envelope because the shape looks like the shape of an envelope. You can decide to increase or reduce the measurements as it suits you. But for this tutorial, we are going to be making use of a length of 50.5 centimeter, which is the full length this way, and the width of 25 centimeter. We are going to have a front foot flap, this side. This side is going to be 14.5 centimeter. Then the lower foot, which is this, is going to be 17.70 centimeter. So that's what we are going to do. So what I'm going to do now is that after folding my 7.70, I'm going to stitch it. I'm going to stitch it down, stitch this side just as a decoration. I'm going to stitch it. So now I'm going to fold this upper part now so that I can put my snap. I'm going to be making use of this snap. You can make use of any kind of snap you have. If it's this magnetic snap, you can make use of it. Even if it's a plastic snap, some people would like to put Velcro. You just cut a little Velcro and sew it, but you have to look for something to design that side so that it will not be showing here. So let's quickly do that. For the footwear we are going to be making, as you can see, this does not require any kind of wrapping. You don't need an insole. It is a double sole. Just like we have this leather as a double face leather, the sole is a double face sole. So what happens is that you have the inner sole and you have the outer sole all in one. You can easily get this in the market. What you just have to do now is we are going to just take the measurements depending on the size you are working with. Now, this is about 6 inches. This is about 6 inches here. You find out that this is about 7 inches here. So it means definitely you have to use the longest part for you to take the measurements. You can now shape it into this, which is what I've done here. Because the side has a shape. As you can see, it has a shape. So you have to make sure that you are cutting something that will uniquely fit into that side. That's what we are going to do. So when you are cutting, make sure that it fits into that shape and it's also exactly the size fitting to the other side. As you can see, this is exactly the size of that last. So what we are going to do now is we are just going to place our pattern and cut. I want to quickly put some accessory in the front of that pattern that we just cut. That's our footwear. So I'm going to be arranging it this way. Now, we have fully embellished the two of them, as you can see. So, what we are just going to do now is we are going to apply gum at this side. You can see the section. We are going to apply gum on that section, apply gum on this other section too, and do the same on this particular side, and we'll just gum it. This is what we are going to have. All you need to do is just put it on your feet and get going. See the way I embellish our pulse too. The same way I did this, it's the same thing I did to others ones. So all we need to do is get things, put inside. You can see me putting my tools already. And I'm good to go. Wow, I'm really loving this combination. As I'm just loving it. You just want to go out with friends, get to a beach. I see this as something that you can easily just walk out with. It's really beautiful, and even the purse is really looking beautiful. I believe you have really enjoyed today's tutorial, and if you have actually enjoyed it, subscribe to All Africa TV for more tutorials. You can also follow us on Instagram and on our Facebook page at All Africa TV. You can also follow me my Facebook and Instagram pages at JibbyFem Forte. I'll be expecting your comments. I would like you to really try this. You don't have to sew. It's a double face leather. When you get to the market, just tell them you want a double face leather. You don't have to sew. And for this kind of sew that we use to, you just have to buy, and you just find yourself fixing this and looking beautiful and gorgeous on you. See you next time. Bye.
Odurole,